In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide yourself through the platform known as TradingView. This guide will be particularly helpful if you're completely new to TradingView or looking to deepen your understanding of its charting tools and features. So let's get started on this educational journey, exploring a powerful tool that's beloved by traders and investors alike. Firstly, you'll want to start by navigating to the TradingView website. This is your gateway to a world filled with robust financial data and analysis tools. So go ahead and open up your web browser and type in tradingview.com. Once you hit enter, you'll be directed to TradingView's homepage, showcasing a clean, organized layout. If you haven't done so already, you may consider signing up. It's free and offers a myriad of functionalities that are beneficial for any trading enthusiast or professional. Now that you're on TradingView's webpage, the next step is to focus on the chart section. This is where you'll spend most of your time looking at trends and analysing potential trades. Upon entering this section, you'll notice the comprehensive and detailed chart before you, providing you with a canvas to work with. Once you have your chart visible, the top of the interface presents various tools you can use to perform technical analysis. Among them, you'll find a button labelled Measures. Clicking on this button reveals another layer of tools specifically designed to enhance your productivity when interacting with charts and measuring different financial metrics. After you click on Measures, a menu will unfold with a variety of options. These are the measures you can select based on your specific trading strategy or analytic needs. Here's a little tip. Choosing the right measures can drastically improve the accuracy of your predictions and strategies. You'll typically find popular indicators like moving averages, RSI, and others that you may find useful in your analyses. Try selecting a few that align with your trading methodology. The platform allows you to customize these measures, so feel free to explore and adjust them according to your preferences. By this point, you're now well acquainted with the essential components of the interface you'll be working with in TradingView. With the wide array of tools at your disposal, you can start diving deep into the data, charting trends, and carrying out thorough technical analyses tailored to your needs. Remember, practice makes perfect, and spending time familiarizing yourself with these tools will only enhance your trading acumen. To wrap up, you have now set up your initial layout on TradingView, selected your preferred measures, and opened the doors to more detailed market analyses. The more you use TradingView, the more you'll discover and learn. Thank you for joining today's guide, and happy trading.